Another year gone by. We see the candles light. Friends and family all around. Let's make a wish tonight. Laughter fills the air. Love is everywhere. Cake and joy inside. Everything feels just right. Happy, happy birthday to you, to you. Happy, happy birthday. This day is all for you. Memories will create. Together celebrate. Wrap the gifts with care. Good vibes we all share. Dance and sing out loud. Stand out in the crowd. Moments like these rare. Show the love we bear. Happy, happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy, happy birthday.
Mayong gabi, Pastora PB, I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pastora, sa imong ika-60 katuig sa imong kinabuhi. So sa among mga panghinaot nga malipayon ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan, uban nila Bishop Bal, sa imong mga anak nila Laili, nila Pastora Laili, ni Ma'am Apple, ni Pastor Rene, sa imong mga apo, uban sa mga kauban sa church diya sa Bacoor. I love you, Pastora. God bless you. So among mga panghinaot nga malipayon ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Pastora. I love you.
Hi, Pastora Baby. Happy birthday. I declare, Pastora, na more years to come sa imong life. More blessings to come.
Hello, Pastora! Happy birthday. Iyahay kay ka. Kaya di na ka mo pila. Daghan na kag mga benefits makuha. Daghan na kag mga maka-discount na kag daghan kayo. Happy birthday. Yeah, we declare more blessings, long life, and be happy. Be happy. Enjoy life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastora.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Te. Love you.
I love you to Mimila. I will visit you soon.
Mwah.
I love you.
Hello, sister. Happy 60th birthday. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His peace shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His peace toward you and give you peace. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sister Phoebe. Happy birthday. I'm so grateful to the Lord na niabot ani nga edad as a 60th birthday. 60th is just a number. May your life be as beautiful as you are. I wish you all the best in your life. Keep us safe and healthy always. God bless you and your family. I love you. I miss you. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister PB. Ah, salamat sa imong salamat sa Ginoo sa imong kasasinta anyos katuig sa imong kinabuhi. Tulo na ta mga senior. Glad bless you.
Sa imong birthday greetings kay Sister PB Burlat, Alba City. Imo igsuon nga gwapa. Go! Sister! What 16 na jud ay ta. Dako kay ko pasalamat sa Lord kay bata pagkatan-awon. Mura pa jud kag kanang teenager, dalaga pagkatan-awon. Happy birthday. Out mo daghan pa jud katuigan mabot sa imong kinabuhi ug gamiton pa ka sa Ginoo. Ang imong kagwapa mo sa lumot pa jud kagwapa. Happy birthday, sister. Ako ra na. Papilabot akong pamilya kung maila na. Mana?
Hi sister, happy birthday to you. Salamat sa kinabuhi. Enjoy your day with your family. Praying for more blessings and good health. I love you. I miss you. Regards to all.
Happy birthday, babe!
Happy birthday,